So I would explain a whole long where the heck I've been story, but it wouldn't be very interesting because the reason's just I'm busy. When I've done it before, none of you actually seem to care, and channel seems to have been doing just fine without any content anyway. But within the last week or so, it's kind of started to level off and start going back down again. So I figured it's about time I better actually upload something. But I have some stuff planned. Oh yes, there's stuff planned. This is an Apple 12-watt USB power adapter. I wasn't even going to do an unboxing for this, but based on how weirdly well that SD card video went, I thought I might as well. Maybe there's a niche for 12-watt power adapters somewhere in the world, so, if you're into that kind of thing, here you go. That's how you use one if you didn't know by now. No, this isn't the only thing I ordered. I actually ordered more. I already took this wonderful thing out of its package, but I didn't actually take these other two packages out yet. And what lies inside is a complete mystery. No, actually it is. It's been so long since these packages came in, I honestly don't remember what I ordered. So, to discover what's inside, we need to tear along the lines. And we've just made two-piece trash. Okay. It's probably the most intense unboxing ever. So I just want you to take note of how big this package is. It is absolutely padded with foam on the outside and then even bubble wrap inside of that. And I really want to keep whatever's in here safe, and it's a lightning cable. Just the standard rubber Apple 1 meter lightning to USB cable that comes inside, or did come inside almost every iPad, iPhone, iPod Touch, you name it, for the past who knows how long. Pretty sure it's the same one that's in AirPods and the Magic Keyboard 2 and the Magic Trackpad 2. That's finally starting to slowly phase out these lightning cables, but not entirely. And I somehow managed to lose like all 4 of mine, so I got another one now. Oh, and just wanted to mention, all of these packages were ordered at the same time. All 3 of these products, they all came in separate packages like this, which is excessively large for what's inside. And for a company so focused on environmental friendliness, it just seems weird that 3 products ordered at the same time, the same freaking order number, and coming in on the same freaking day, it came in 3 different packages. Like, literally just came the same day. They all showed up in my mailbox the same day. So we have another tear along the lines. Oh, this is a bigger one. So this one's a Belkin USB-C to Gigabit Ethernet adapter. Because I kind of want to hardwire for live streams and stuff like that, because hardwiring is always a bit more reliable than Wi-Fi, especially for things like streaming. And it's also good to have, since so many things are online now. If my Wi-Fi is ever down, I can hardwire in if necessary. So you will see unboxings for all 3 of these products, just because, but it's probably not the one you guys are going to be most excited for. This is the star of the show. It also contains batteries, which are hazardous, by the way. So this came in a cardboard box, unlike the padded styrofoam boxes everything else came in. Padded styrofoam packaging, I mean. It's sealed by some standard box tape, but what's interesting is instead of box tape that would require you to get a knife and cut, it's actually got like a little pull tab here, so that's cool. So we'll just go ahead and pull that off. Now we get to find out what's inside. Ha 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 ho. This is quite an interesting packaging method, the way they have the cardboard like kind of zigzagged in here. It's quite elaborate. Okay, but what is in here is Apple Watch. The Apple Watch logo is engraved on the top, but you can't see it very well in the camera because it's not painted, it's just engraved. So I did end up going with just the space gray aluminum case Wi-Fi only Series 6. I thought about cellular, but I honestly just didn't want to pay the extra money for the watch, and I definitely didn't want to pay the $15 a month for the cellular plan. So I decided to go with the GPS and Wi-Fi only model once again. There's a sport band in here with it. I don't remember which color sport band it was. I just remember it was the only color that I liked that was not a like 3-month out order. In fact, my first like 3 choices for bands were just completely sold out. Like they weren't even taking orders on them. It just said not available. But this is the one I can get. The watch is what really matters. You can buy more bands later. Really just worried about getting the watch, which I did. So yeah, this is the unboxing you guys are probably looking forward to, that you'll see shortly of these products. So that's that. Variety Entertainment hopefully getting back into swing very soon. Expect to see unboxings of the Apple USB 12-watt power adapter, Apple 1-meter lightning cable, Belkin USB-C to gigabit Ethernet adapter, and most excitingly, the Apple Watch Series 6 space gray aluminum case with sport band, GPS and Wi-Fi, not cellular. So that's just a quick sneak peek on some stuff you can expect to see from Variety Entertainment in the near future. And don't worry, if you're not into random Apple tech product unboxing videos, there's going to be plenty of other stuff, hence the channel name. I'm looking to play some more Nintendo games for you guys. It's weird because all my interests, for those of you new around here, all my interests are highly specific, but they also cover a randomly high variety. My tech interests are usually specifically in Apple, but sometimes I branch out, but not often. And my video game interests are almost exclusively Nintendo. My amusement park interest is pretty overarching, though. It's just kind of anything. Haven't been doing that this year, though, because... But anyhow, as I start to get back into things again, I've had a very busy last few months, but things are finally starting to calm down a little bit, so I should have some more time to actually focus on the channel, and I'm really excited because I really do want to grow this channel. I've been saying that for a long time, but I really mean it. So if you guys have any suggestions, feedback, anything, put it in the comments. I know I have plenty of stuff in my head for how I can improve content, and a lot of stuff probably involves equipment I don't have, which is fine. We do the best of what we have. I know someone's probably going to say something about lighting. Yeah, that's something I need to look into at some point. But if you just want the specific types of content that are your favorite, something you want me to try, anything, just let me know, because I'll consider. And hopefully I'll see you guys for those unboxings very soon.